integrated strength and mobility workouts. In a 60-minute UMS workout, you build strength, mobility, and fitness. No more separate stretching sessions, no more skipping flexibility because you're short on time, and no more guessing what to do next. Pretty cool, huh? So here's what most programs get wrong. They separate strength and flexibility, they ignore structural balance, and they waste your time with unnecessary rest periods. At Unity Gym, we do things really differently. Every UMS workout is designed to deliver the maximum result in the minimum time while protecting your joints and eliminating imbalances, and balancing a strong, mobile, and pain-free body that lasts. Let's break down how it works. UMS workouts are broken into 3 parts. Part 1 is the 10-minute warm-up. So before you lift a single weight, we get your body ready. This isn't a static stretching session or a half-hearted jog on the treadmill. It's a structured warm-up designed to mobilize your joints, activate your stabilizers, fire up your nervous system, increase blood circulation to the muscles. And by the time you hit your first lift, your body isn't just warm, it's ready to perform at its best. No wasted effort, no unnecessary risk. All right, part 2, the primary workout, where strength meets flexibility. This is where UMS becomes a category of its own, because instead of training strength and flexibility in separate workouts, we pair them together intelligently and safely. There are 2 UMS workout formats: upper body strength and lower body flexibility, and lower body strength and upper body flexibility. Why? Because stretching the same muscles that you're strength training reduces power and increases injury risk. But when you train the opposite half of the body, you recover smarter and faster while improving flexibility at the same time. Here's an example of an upper body strength day for you. So you perform a set of bench press for upper body pushing strength, then you do a loaded hamstring stretch for lower body flexibility, then a set of bent over row for upper body pulling strength, and then a hip flexor stretch for lower body mobility. Each round of this circuit takes just 5 minutes, and by the time you return to your next set of bench press, you've had a full 4 minutes or more rest. That means full recovery for maximum strength output. And instead of wasting that recovery time, you've just improved your hip flexor and hamstring mobility. And let's be clear, this isn't high intensity interval training, also known as HIIT. We don't lift heavy in a fatigue state. We don't chase exhaustion, we chase performance. UMS workouts are carefully structured to protect your nervous system and avoid burnout, and maximize strength gains while improving flexibility at the same time. No fluff, no filler, just results. All right, part 3 is the supplementary circuit. And this is where we reinforce the session's gains, bulletproof your joints, and balance your physique. So there's stabilizer training to strengthen muscles like your rotator cuffs, core, and postural muscles. More on that when I talk about structural balance. And there's targeted muscle volume for strength, hypertrophy, and to reinforce symmetry. Here's an example supplementary circuit for an upper body day. External rotations for the rotator cuff and shoulder joint stability. Biceps and triceps work for arm strength and hypertrophy, chest flies and rear delt flies for added volume and maximum muscle growth. This final 12 to 20 minutes completes your workout. You've now trained strength, flexibility, stability, and symmetry all in one session, adhering to the 5 principles of structural balance training. No wasted time, no conflicting goals, strength and flexibility grow together, no burnout, full recovery is built into the structure, no guesswork, because every workout has purpose and progression. So this isn't just better programming, it's a completely different way to train. Check out this tribe member's testimonial from Quoc. I trained like a bodybuilder for over a decade, but when I started calisthenics, I realized how stiff I really was. I didn't have time to add flexibility training to my 5-day split. That's why the UMS format changed everything. I now build strength and flexibility in the same workout. No extra sessions, no wasted time, just results. And I've unlocked skills like handstand push-ups, muscle-ups, and stall to press to handstand. So now you've seen how every UMS workout is built. Not just to train hard, but to train smart. Not just to feel busy, but to actually make progress. And if you've ever felt stuck wondering, what should I do today? What's actually going to work? Or worse, lost hours watching YouTube videos trying to piece it all together, that ends here. The UMS workout format eliminates all guesswork. You never second guess your next move again. You'll never waste mental energy planning tomorrow's session, and you'll never fall into the trap of random workouts and random results. It's all laid out. It's all strategic. You just show up, follow the plan, and get results. That's the power of a real system. No more guessing, just training that actually works.